SAANS, Trolley Assembly. Let us now show you how to set up SAANS in Trolley Assembly. First off, open the trolley box, which will have 5 components: wheelbase, central pole, IV pole, device bracket, trolley basket. Put the wheelbase on a stable horizontal surface. Remove the central pole, IV pole, device bracket, and basket from the safety wrap or sheet and put them in front of you. You will need an Allen key set and a screwdriver to assemble the entire system. Central pole assembly. Use Allen key number 12 to remove the bottom screw from the central pole. Now take the wheelbase and align on the central pole using the same Allen key and screw it tight. Now, use the Allen key number 4 to remove the screws in front of the pole. Take the humidifier clamp and align it with the front of the pole. Use the Allen key number 4 to screw this clamp onto the pole. Turn the trolley and repeat the process for the other clamp, which will be used to mount the bubble jar. Use the same process to clamp the basket onto the central pole. Your central pole assembly is complete. IV pole assembly. Take the IV pole and remove the screw at the bottom using Allen key number 2. Align the IV pole with the side of the device bracket and use the screw to join them together. Next, use Allen key number 4 to remove the 3 screws on top of the central pole. Align the device bracket on top of the central pole and use the Allen key to screw them back together. Your IV pole assembly on top of the central pole is done. SAANS assembly. Align the device on top of the central pole and carefully place the spacer bracket between the device and the trolley. Use a screwdriver to tightly secure the device to the trolley. After the device is securely mounted on the trolley, mount the bubble jar and humidifier to the trolley on the clamps on the central pole. Your SAANS assembly in trolley configuration is complete. Please feel free to contact InAxle at info@inaxle.com or +91 8040 923864 for any assistance. Thank you.